Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on your PC. First, you will need to download the official Minecraft launcher from the game's website. After that, create a Mojang or Microsoft account, which is necessary to purchase the game. You will then choose between two main editions, Minecraft Java Edition or Bedrock Edition, each offering a slightly different experience. Finally, confirm your computer meets the minimum system requirements for optimal performance. Once the launcher is downloaded, proceed with the installation process on your computer. After successful installation, open the launcher and log in using your Mojang or Microsoft account details. From the main screen, you can select your preferred game version, such as the latest release or an older snapshot. With your version chosen, simply click the prominent play button to launch the game and begin exploring. Navigating the Minecraft world is straightforward. You will use the WASD keys on your keyboard to move your character in 4 directions: forward, left, backward, and right. Your mouse controls where you look, allowing you to survey your surroundings. Pressing the spacebar makes your character jump, while holding down the Shift key allows you to sneak. To access your inventory and manage all your collected items, simply press the E key. Interacting with the world involves 2 primary actions: left-clicking to break blocks and gather valuable resources such as wood or stone, and right-clicking to place blocks and construct anything you can imagine. To create new items, you will use a crafting table, combining various materials to forge tools, weapons, and armor. Remember to explore the vast and diverse biomes to discover unique materials and face exciting new challenges.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.